Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to my best top 5 facial cleansing brushes. Video review. Number 1. Valentine's Day gift, a ladies. Make her feel truly special with this elegant Valentine's Day gift for ladies. Thoughtfully designed to express love and appreciation, this gift is perfect for girlfriends, wives, or anyone you cherish. Ideal for romantic occasions, birthdays, or surprises, it adds a touch of charm and emotion that creates unforgettable memories. A beautiful way to say, "I love you," with style and meaning. Number 2. 1PC Soft Silicone Nose Brush. Clean the face. The 1PC Soft Silicone Nose Brush is a gentle yet effective facial cleansing tool designed to deeply clean pores. Number 3. 1/3 Pack Lymphatic Contour Facial Brush. Enhance your skincare routine with a 1/3 Pack Lymphatic Contour Facial Brush. Specially designed to support lymphatic drainage and facial contouring, it helps reduce puffiness, improve circulation, and promote a natural glow. Number 4. 6PCS Practical Bow Headband Wrist Strap. The 6PCS Practical Bow Headband Wrist Strap set is a cute and functional accessory for skincare, makeup, and daily use. Number 5. Mystical Women's Perfume Gift Box. The Mystical Women's Perfume Gift Box